The Oukitel RT7 Titan is the rugged tablet with the biggest battery in the entire world. This device is backed up by a gigantic 32,000 mAh battery, which I believe is insane, guys. It's insane. And according to Oukitel, this device would have a standby time of up to 113 days. Now, what I consider to be a problem would be the charger that would be shipping with this device. The device has a 32,000 mAh battery, so it is very important that this phone ships with an extremely fast charger. Anyway, in this video, we'll be exploring some of the top features of the Oukitel RT7 Titan. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the RT7 Titan is a rugged tablet. It is designed to be very sturdy, durable, and suitable for outdoor and rugged environments. The device has a thickness of 19.8 millimeters, and I expect the device to be very heavy, heavier than the Active 8 Pro, and the Active 8 Pro weighs about 2 pounds. I expect this device to be heavier than the Active 8 Pro because its battery is bigger than that of the Active 8 Pro. And also, this is the first 5G rugged tablet, because the device is powered by the Dimensity 720 5G processor. Paired with the Dimensity 720 is 12GB RAM, which should be capable of handling multiple tasks and apps simultaneously without slowing down. Additionally, the device offers an ample storage space with 256GB, allowing users to store a large amount of data, apps, and media. The phone boasts a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS display, which is great. I currently do not know if the display is protected with either a Gorilla Glass or Sapphire Glass or any kind of display protection, but it is very important that the phone has any kind of display protection. As for the cameras, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 48MP primary sensor, which promises high resolution images, followed by a 20MP night vision camera, which should excel in low light conditions, and I believe the third lens would be a macro lens. The front facing camera is 32MP, which should be sufficient for taking clear selfies and video calls. This is a rugged tablet, so it has IP68 and IP69K rating, indicating it is water and dust resistant and is also resistant to high pressure jets. According to Oukitel, the device can be submerged up to 1.2 meters for up to 2 hours. Additionally, it offers up to 1 meter anti-shock protection, making it resilient to drops and impacts. Also, the device is military-grade standard 810A certified, which ensures its durability against extreme conditions. Other features of the RT7 Titan includes Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, dual nano SIM slots and 5G connectivity, OTG, and lastly, the device ships with the latest Android 13. So these are the top specs and features of the Oukitel RT7 Titan. This rugged tablet is just insane. It is packed with tons of cool features, and I'll be comparing it with the Active 8 Pro from Blackview to see which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs. One thing I know for sure is that the RT7 Titan has the world's biggest battery. It is equipped with the biggest battery ever. It is the battery king. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these new rugged tablets from Oukitel, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.